Hey everyone, it's Valk9 Designs, and I'm back to talk about files. Here's the ring that I started, and I had a Patreon request asking how I filed the inside of this ring to make it comfortable for wear, and just to get off those sharp edges on the frame and stuff. And so I just thought I'd give a little rundown on the files that I have on my bench, and also some of the grits that you might want to consider getting for yours. So there's really no technique or trick to it. I just used these small files. These are absolutely fantastic. These are number 2 grit. So the variance in grit is obviously how many more striations there are on the file to remove material. So if there's if it's a number 4 grit, there's going to be more cuts in the metal to make it more rough. And then if these are a number 2, so there's only 2 directional cuts on the plane to make the file. So the higher you go, the more fine-tune of a file it is. These were number 2 files. That's all I have right now on my desk. I need to get some of the number 4, and then there's, various other different grits as well that you can check out on Rio Grande or Stoller. I just have all of my files from Rio Grande. I have those tiny ones that I just showed you, and then these medium and larger ones. The medium and larger ones are just the excuse my language, but the Dick brand on Rio Grande. They make some pretty decent files. There's other brands on there as well that make different types and different varying grits and sizes and shapes. So just take your time and check out everything that they have to offer. This is one of my favorites, this kind of flat file that goes up to a needle nose, and then generally every single file set will come with these kind of same 6 shapes. There's going to be this flat needle nose, there's going to be a flat one, and then there's going to be a round one, then there's going to be kind of like a domed one. This one I like because there's grit on both sides, the flat and the domed side. Then there's generally also going to be a triangular one and a square one. I really like this wooden set handle. It sits really nicely in the hand. And then the larger plastic set is good, but I only really use that for large sheet metal type things. I generally use this medium-sized set the most. And I'm starting to use the smaller set more and more as I start to do more intricate work. Yeah, and so definitely check out everything there is to offer. Again, Rio Grande or Stoller will offer various different types of files, and probably you could find them at your local craft stores or maybe even Walmart. I'm not 100% sure about that, but yeah, just make sure you know what number grit you're getting. Again, the number 2 is best for removing big chunks of metal, and then the number 4 is best for kind of the fine-tuned work in the shaping. So thank you all so much. I hope you have a great day.